have everything, right from tiny machines to the very large, humongous machines like the XXL.
Welcome to the DMG Mori Pfronten Open House.
So we're here looking at the automation side that they've got to offer.
Well, having Pfronten on our doorstep at the end of the day is incredible. Not many others have the infrastructure, the sheer size, and it's a powerful tool to be able to use with our customers and bring them over.
So we're here to see the DMU50 that we've just bought. Hopefully that arrives in a few weeks' time. But coming to an event like this in Pfronten, it really reinforces our belief and our understanding about what DMG Mori offer us.
So well, we hold this event because Pfronten Open House is normally our traditional open house. So we have a more than 20 years history with these open houses. And normally they take place in February, but in February the actual situation was not so good to have events in Germany. And so now we are very happy to have this event now in May and host our international guests and here in Pfronten in the factory. So basically, of course, it's visiting the factory, making factory tours, right? But of course, we also have here our showroom, which we renovated in the last 2 years and enlarged here. So we have more than 50 machines. And yeah, the core issue is, of course, automation. Now I've seen something similar to this in the Coventry showroom, but not of this sheer size. Wow.
Yeah, this is the new PH2000. What the 2000 relates to is the kilograms that we can actually put on the table. So this is relating to a very, very compact automation system for heavy applications. It's on 3 different levels. Traditionally, it would have just been 1 level due to the weight of the part.
Yeah, well, Lyndsey, people can see here in Pfronten the latest technology of DMG Mori, and that is high-end technology. So here in Pfronten we are focusing on 5X technology, mill turn technology, so technology integration, milling, turning, grinding, and gear machining, for example, what we are also showing in our showroom, and we are very happy to have the customers here again at the live event. Yeah, not just digital, that's okay, but live is much better.
Getting really good feedback from our customers that have had a presence here. They've been able to speak to product managers and the staff that work at the Pfronten factory, and they've found solutions that they might not have known of before. So yeah, being here has been great.
So in the future, of course, we will have this traditional open house because it's a kind of network event for customers, for partners, for suppliers, and of course also for our internal staff, right? But in the future, everybody can come to Pfronten. So we will host delegations also during the year here in this now enlarged showroom, and we have a permanent portfolio of machines and automation solutions.
Yeah, so like the quality, you know, the workmanship that goes into it, you can really see it in like the way they like operate their factory. Obviously, like, you know, just little things, but you know, it's the little details that make the difference in the machines at the end of the day. So, you know, that's why we buy the machines, because we always want the latest technology and, you know, the best produced machines. And they get best tolerances. So.
Alongside the machinery, it's the customer care. It's customer focus. So you don't just sell your machines and run off. You know, they really look after you. So you get the whole package with DMG Mori. So you can just see behind me, they treat you very well, really well. Yeah, so they're awesome.